Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. Today we have a 17 F250 with multiple cylinder misfire, PO 300, 302, 301. It wasn't just to one bank, one side of the engine. And what I found was these coils were fully corroded inside the boots. You can see all that nastiness in there. The coil springs, real nasty. Now, typically you'd be able to clean these up, put them back together, get on with your day, save a little bit of time, save a little bit of money. But instead, they ended up falling apart on the inside. My lighting's real bad, so you're not going to be able to see down in there. But they're all broken. I got this big pile right there that came out of them. Yeah, just real nasty business. I don't know why the moisture's getting down in the motors like that. Maybe bad design from the engineers. But if you get in that code, check them coils out. You can pick up a decent set off eBay fairly cheap. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to diagnose it. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day. If you like what you see, like, subscribe. It helps me out. Takes a second for you. Man, I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.